The facts matter.
Good morning, everyone. Virgo here. It is October 7th, 2020. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday. All right, so I'm over here checking out, as promised, SharonTraceyGale's docket to see what the court clerk has updated. I checked it yesterday, and all I saw is what's highlighted right now, which was that the status conference that was scheduled for Monday at 9:30 a.m. by Judge Richard M. Capelli had been continued to a new status conference November 30th at 9:30 a.m. And that was all that was there. So I said, okay, well, we're just in a continuance. But I just looked at it a few moments ago and realized something strange occurred. So apparently the judge filed another criminal notice with a trial date, and the court clerk put it in later because it is there now and it was not there yesterday. As you can see here, on the 6th, which was yesterday, Tuesday, the court clerk went in and put in criminal notice form filed, trial date, December 1st. But that would have been great, right? We would have had a trial on the 1st of December. But see, this is what keeps happening. So the minute the judge files for a new trial date, here goes Sharon filing something called Moorish National Republic Federal Government. No other explanation. We have no idea. It could be the bylaws that she's come up with. There is nothing else to give us any suggestion of what it is that she filed. So the minute that he files for a trial date, she goes behind him and files a bunch of other stuff in which he's going to have a motions hearing for. So my claim that she is going out of her way to try to extend this looks to be accurate. Either that, or she just does not have a clue of what's going on every time she files new paperwork. Now, I know that it appeared that DeCorey Pitts was doing this at one point. It did eventually stop. I believe the judge actually stopped it. However, I think he thought, because he actually went in and he attempted to try to file something that was suggesting that he wasn't getting proper due process or a timely due process. And perhaps that's what Sharon thinks she's going to do also. But you don't get to claim that you're not getting a proper, timely due process, not going to trial soon enough, in other words, if you're the ones that are filing the motions that have to be ruled on. And it appears as though that's exactly what's going on. The minute that he files, the judge files for an actual trial date to be set, Sharon goes in and files something else, which forces him to have another motions hearing. So there, under normal circumstances, would push up the trial date. Now, it may not in this case. There may be enough time whereby he can do all of it. And there also may be a ruling in the status conference that comes down where he says, I'm not going to let you file any more bogus motions. That's within his right to do that. These lists that the judges put out there on vexatious litigants, it's because they they're wasting the court's time, they're wasting the judge's time, they're wasting the court clerk's time, and they're filing a bunch of bogus paperwork. So eventually this will come to an end, and perhaps that's the reason why this is separated out the way that it is. But I wanted for you guys to know that the conference from Monday was continued. It's continued until the 30th of November. And then there is a new trial date set for December 1st that was done yesterday. So I would imagine out of earshot from her, perhaps someone else, the standby attorney or notice that was sent to her informed her, and immediately she filed the Moorish National Republic federal government document, whatever that might be. At this point, I mean, he's not going to, I wouldn't imagine anyway, he's not going to continue to allow this to go on every single time he files for a new trial date. I believe we're on the 5th or 6th trial date at this point. So this is where we're at right now. Everybody can check their calendars for the 1st of December. I will update you as to more continuances, or if the conference continues on the 30th of November. And we'll just have to hope that he gets fed up and does actually go forward with the trial and say, hey, you can't continue to draw this out this way. But I'll be watching it and updating you as always. This is the new information. The link will be in the description for you to take a look at. And I hope everybody has a great day. Bye-bye.